room for today's video kasi nailipat na naman ang person. So this is executive queen size room. So this is what we have. The two sides is a small cabinet and a small table, and then a big table there, and a big TV, and then a sofa. So, and then we are on the top. I will see you guys. Oh, ayan, makikita mo talaga ang traffic sa side na to. So, ayan yung aming coffee. So, now, I will put my bag here. So, this is the big mirror in the wall. But by the way, guys, there's another mirror here. So by the way, this is their cabinet. So here the cash register. In there at the side you can see also again the traffic here. Both sides we have traffic here side. So did you see that, guys? Ayan, and then I will show you their bathroom, guys. Here, so we have hair bracer, and then again Mr. and Mrs. glass, and then toothpaste, and then there's again the bathtub. This is my favorite spot. The bathtub, did you see that, guys? And then the floor. So I know, by the way, I enjoy. So it's a very nice. It's a nice. So that is, guys, we have a big table. Like last night we have also a big table, but the best one here is we have a big TV, and then our bedroom is queen size, and then with the sofa. So pwede makaupo-upo tayo dyan. So like that, like that, guys. Like that. Huh? So we can sit like that. Here, and then here. So that is, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Love you all.
Very nice room.
Yeah, it's very nice room.